hours only. Kaya sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag nandun na kayo, I want you to protect us. Alam niyo kung bakit? I will replace some of the workers who are TNT. Siyempre, galit na sa akin yun. Kayo ipapalit ko. Kung hindi niyo ako protektahan, paano mo kayo mabibigyan ng pwesto kung wala na? Diba? Negative positive lang yan eh. Pag nandun na kayo, ganito ang set-up natin. Once you reach the place that you're going to work, you will see me again. Another orientation. But, with me. 200 rupees pa kayo. Hindi na pwede kasi nakakaya naman sa inyo. Basta, kilingan sa inyo lang. Little joke lang. Pero kung pangalan nyo, mas pwede. Okay. One thing more. Ito, this opportunity that I'm going to give you is for your own good. Some of the applicants here is being insured by Freedom Life. The insurance that they're going to have is the collection and the payment will be collected once, and then at the same time, remittance company, life insurance, para sa inyo, but I'm not going to force you. It is upon your decision whether you like it or not. While you're working there, you're going to deduct. It is up to you what amount you wanted to deduct. Para sabay-sabay tayo. Para sa inyo lahat yan. Insurance there, insurance here. Okay lang ba? Yes. Kung mahina? Yes. Bigyan mo naman ng lunch. Mahina pa rin? Yes. Mahina. I have a special request here. Came from my office. Reminder. Nakalagay pa. Employer will be the one to schedule the flight, not the applicant's request, when they would like to leave.
I hope
this is the threat to this kind of announcement or reminder. Because when the time that you apply, some of the applicants are asking, what is the cost of the delay? Could you explain it to us? Okay. And at this time, we have already confirmed the flight. And then some of the applicants are requesting to have scheduled the flight. Okay ba sa inyo lahat?
Yes? No. No!
I don't want na sabihin nyo ako lang. Kasi sa akin, I want everybody will know na kung okay sa inyo. Because some of you applied since December.
Yes.
Last week of December.
Unahin yung mauna.
Eh, mag-December na, dito nakakaalis.
Tapos mauna ka?
Because of what? Because of other applicants.
Baka.
We want to settle it. First, bago tayo umalis sana. O ngayon, yung limang paabot, ages mo yung process. Wala tayong magagawa. Inabutan tayo ng cut-off eh. Ng rules kung ang kagasan lang. Wala tayong magagawa. Gusto natin yung place to be. Yes, hindi tayo makalis. Kaya, some of you, today, if you have an appointment outside, I will not control your time. It is upon your decision whether you want to socialize with other applicants. Kasi, ang ginawa namin, for me, I decided to have it 5 to 12 tonight. because you can have the social gatherings with the cost of 1,050 only. Despedida nyo na, 1,000 lang. Kung okay na sa inyo. And if I cannot accommodate, upon the schedule of the departure, upon receiving the tickets, each applicant will invite me to have this meeting done. Hindi ko kaya yun. Diba? Kaya gusto ko sabay-sabay so that everybody happy. Okay? Any more questions?
CH joke.
Hindi matakot. Wala pa nag-question sa akin. Pwede kayo mag-question yan para bukas hindi na ako makita. Ito. Sino gusto magtanong? If ever na hindi kayo makatanong ngayon, pwede naman kayo magtanong. Following days. Para malaman nyo yung development. Okay. Question.
Sir, hindi ba magiging problema ng application ko kasi nag-apply ako sa inyo, 41 years old ako. Eh, nag-birthday na ako.
Yan ang sinasabi ko. I've seen her apply to our office. Remember? Sa Macro?
Kubo ko siya. Pangyan na.
Nakita ko, I've seen her transcripts, grades, and whatever. But the age is quite dangerous to consider. Because